It says no internet connection when you're trying to download a game. Subscribe and let's fix that. First, open Steam and click Steam in the top left corner. Go to Settings, then open the Download section. Click Clear Download Cache and confirm the reset. Steam will restart automatically. Sign back in and try downloading your game again. If the issue is still not fixed, open the Start menu, search for PowerShell, and run it as administrator. Now run the Steam repair command. You will find it in the description. Just disable Windows Defender temporarily. Then choose the required option. In our case, choose 1 and enter your game's app ID. To find the app ID, open your Steam library, right-click your game, select Properties, and check the Update section, and enter the ID in the PowerShell. After completing the steps, restart Steam and try downloading the game again. Your Steam download should now work normally without the no internet connection error. Subscribe if this helped.